Okay, my people, you all are welcome. I'm here to talk about Ika people, Ukwuani people, Enuani people, Ikwerre people, Ogba people, Ekpeye people, Urhobo, and Isoko people that are claiming Bini origin and ancestry. Now, if you look at what Ibanke people are passing through in Edo State, you will see that Ibanke people are not Bini people in origin. They don't speak Bini language. They are very different from Bini people. But because they are in the same state with Bini people are marginalizing them. And also, Bini people are claiming that the kings of Ibanke people are the subjects of their Oba. They are calling the kings of Ibanke people chiefs and not kings. Just look at how Bini people are insulting Ibanke kings online by calling them common chiefs, saying that they are not kings but chiefs and subjects to their Oba. Now, what makes you Urhobo people that are claiming Bini origin to think that the kings in your land are not subjects to the Oba of Bini? Bini people see the kings of Urhobo land as chiefs and subjects to their Oba. The Ovies in Urhobo land are subjects to the Oba of Bini in the eyes of Bini people. They don't regard other people's king except their Oba. And history proved that Urhobo is old and ancient, more old than Bini people. Bini is just 900 years old. The ancient Urhobo people that lived in Idu kingdom before Bini people came from Yoruba land, those ancient Urhobo people are not Bini people. You never tell where Bini come into existence. So in Urhobo land, those set of Urhobo people that claim that they are descendants of one Oba of Bini like that, all those Urhobo people are the Bini people that came from Bini land. The ancient Urhobos are not descendants of Bini people. Because history proved how Bini people were treating Urhobo people in the past. Many Urhobo people know this. What Urhobo people passed through in the hand of Bini people. During the past, Bini people were massacring Urhobo people, killing them, doing to them the same thing that they were doing we Igbos in the Idu kingdom. It's a truth. This will not be they spread propaganda. No. Make research for confirmation. So, how do you think that Bini people are seeing the kings in Urhobo land as kings? They are seeing them as chiefs. They are seeing them as commoners. Look at what is happening online on TikTok. How Urhobo people are distancing themselves from Bini people because Bini people are using them to fight the Igbos. And many of them are making videos telling Urhobo people to stay clear from these Bini people. Ikwerre people, the same thing. All of you that are claiming, we are descendants of Bini people. You are wasting your time. You are just bringing insults to yourself. The kings in Ikwerre land are chiefs in the eyes of Bini people. Bini people don't see you as one of them. They don't see you as an equal to them. They believe that they give birth to everybody and everybody is a subject to their Oba. If Ikwerre people, Oba people and Ekpeye people are in Edo State, the Oba of Bini will suspend their kings the same way he is suspending the kings of Ibanke people. All the kings in Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye land will be addressed as common chiefs and subjects to the Oba of Bini. You know, many people don't know about these Bini people. That's why they are busy claiming we are Bini people. History is proving you people wrong, yet you are claiming Bini. Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people are busy deceiving themselves online by claiming that they are Bini descendants. Ikwerre history states that Akalaka escaped Bini kingdom because the Oba of Bini wanted to kill him after he was being accused of doing something. They accused him that he wanted to kill the Oba to become king. And he ran away. Bini people are saying that Akalaka is a member of Bini royal family. Who born him now? They're not going to talk. They talk say, he's from Ogbelaka. He's from Ogbelaka. And from that Ogbelaka in Bini that he came from, that was how he got the name Akalaka. Lie won't finish now with. When I just take lie, they go as history. Just imagine. Who born him for the Bini royal family when I'm not going to talk? What is the meaning of Akalaka? Bini people say that Akalaka means precious cup. Akalaka does not mean precious cup. Akalaka means destiny. Precious cup in Benin language is called Ukwuani. How is Ukwu Noha related to Akalaka? In Bini language, Ukwu is called cup. Noha is called precious, beautiful, and all that. According to Bini history, they said that Ezechime wanted to kill the Oba of Bini to take over the throne. And that's why they started chasing him and he ran away. Is Ezechime a Bini name? No. The same history of how Akalaka ran away from Bini is still the same history of how Ezechime ran away from Bini by Bini people. No Bini person bears Akalaka as name. Only the Igbo race bears Akalaka as name in this country. Only Igbos bear Ezechime. So Akalaka and Ochichi, his brother, are Igbo people. These are Igbos that live in Idu land. They are not Bini people because there is no single proof or evidence to show that these two men are Bini people. Bini people don't have proof. Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people that are claiming Bini origin, that Akalaka and Ochichi are from Bini, they don't even have a single drop of proof to tell us that these two men are Bini people. They are not deceiving themselves. The meaning of Akalaka in Ikwerre is different from the meaning of Akalaka in Ekpeye and the meaning of Akalaka in Ogba. Three of them don't have the same meaning to that name Akalaka. It's just that they are just deceiving themselves. I have the videos. I will show all these things in my next video again. In Ikwerre land, Akalaka have another meaning. In Ogba land, Akalaka have another meaning. In Ekpeye, it have another meaning. Three of them are not saying the same thing as the meaning of Akalaka. You don't see what you take on yourself, they do. Just they deceive on yourself. What is the meaning of Ezechime and Ukwuani? Ezechime means a king made by Chi. In Ikaland, the same meaning. They will tell you a king made by Chi. If you go to Anambra State, they will tell you a king made by Chi. Shows that the name is true. So, Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people, you people should retrace your steps. I know that there are so many people from those regions that does not believe in this Akalaka and Ochichi are Bini men. Your kings are seen as subjects and common chiefs in the eyes of the Bini palace and Bini people. If you people are in Edo State, they go maltreat una pass as they think they maltreat Ibanke people. Remember, Ibanke people are not Bini people. Look at what the Oba of Bini is doing to them. Talk more of you people. Ibanke people are being marginalized by the Oba of Bini. He's suspending their kings, suffering them. Talk more of you, Ikwerre, Ogba and Ekpeye people. So I'm telling all these tribes that are claiming Bini ancestry to know that your kings are commoners in the eyes of Bini people. It not be like we Igbo wey be say Obi of Onitsha na Obi of Onitsha, Asaba of Asaba na Asaba of Asaba, Obi of Abo na Obi of Abo, Obi of Umunede na Obi of Umunede, Okpalukwu of Ogumen na Okpalukwu of Ogumen. They not get that time. They believe that they own you all. Some people will say, what do you want to achieve with this video? We dey open people eye. We are not trying to achieve anything or any other thing or pushing propaganda. We dey tell people the facts. If the king of Ibanke people can be suspended by the Oba of Bini, who be all these Soviets where they Urhobo land? Who be all these kings where they Ikwerre land? We are telling you the facts. So you people should be very careful. Your history predates the existence of Bini. Bini people are expansionists. Liberate yourself the way Ibanke people are liberating themselves. Stop forcing lies on your people as history just because you don't want to identify with the Igbo race that you are. Ikwerre, Ekpeye, and Ogba people are Igbos. Urhobo people, you people should know that your existence predates the existence of Bini people. If you and Bini people are the same people, Bini people will not do to you people what they did to you people in the past. It's because of this wickedness meted on Urhobo people by Bini people that made Urhobo people to leave Idu kingdom to their present location. If Urhobo people are Bini people, they will be worshipping Ogun, Sango, Orumila, Eshu, and other deities, but they are not worshipping it. Their deities and way of worship is very different. But because of those Bini people that migrated into their land, they're not claiming that all of them are Bini. All of you are not Bini. So you people should wake up. Ishe Gwale.